Imagine this. You start a YouTube channel today. Just 1 month from now, you've got nearly 50,000 subscribers and millions of views. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. Right now, faceless channels are quietly blowing up, and they're doing it without influencers, fancy equipment, or even appearing on camera. Take One Bible Verse, for example. Uploaded their first video on the 22nd of February, 2025. This channel has already racked up over 53,000 subscribers with just 10 videos at the time of this recording. And here's the kicker, it's all long-form content. Their first video alone pulled in over 3 million views. No gimmicks, just powerful biblical insights delivered in a way that keeps people glued to their screens. But what if I told you this isn't luck? It's strategy. These creators have cracked the code to making impactful, shareable content that resonates deeply with audiences hungry for spiritual growth and personal development. Even better, the process is surprisingly simple once you know the steps. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a channel like this from scratch. We'll cover everything, from finding trending topics and writing scripts to generating professional-grade voiceovers and images, all using tools anyone can access. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch your own faceless channel in this booming niche. Ready? Let's dive in. Here is a sample binge-worthy video in this niche that I created using the steps I am teaching in this video.
Warning: you're unknowingly choking off God's best with these 5 shocking habits. You've built a routine of complaining at every turn, grumbling through mornings and griping over small inconveniences, and that ungrateful spirit is a roadblock to God's favor. Philippians 2 verses 14. You secretly harbor a passive waiting game, believing blessings arrive by chance rather than obedience. James 2 verses 17 exposes how faith without action is dead, and your procrastination starves the miracle God promised. You tolerate hidden sins in the shadows of your daily life, those secret compromises that feel small but cast a dark cloud over every prayer. Psalm 66 verses 18. And you wonder why heaven seems silent. You nurse old hurts and refuse to forgive, holding grudges like trophies. Yet Matthew 6 verses 14 warns that unforgiveness will cancel out every blessing you seek. You've grown comfortable in disobedience, rationalizing shortcuts and half-hearted commitments, when 1 Samuel 15 verses 22 declares, "Obedience is better than sacrifice." That hidden pattern of bending God's word to your convenience is a silent curse on your destiny. Even now, you sense a heaviness every time opportunity knocks. God is pressing forward with a promise, but these 5 habits are your spiritual handcuffs. You're called to radical gratitude, immediate action, transparent holiness, lavish forgiveness, and joyful obedience, replacing complaint with praise, inaction with bold steps, secret sins with sanctified living, unforgiveness with grace, and compromise with wholehearted devotion. Break free today, because every moment you cling to these habits is a choice to starve your blessing. Will you choose to uproot these hidden barriers and step into the abundance awaiting you?
Sounds interesting and engaging, right? That is the intro of the video. If you are interested in watching the full video, I will leave a link in the description. Now we're going to recreate this video from scratch. It's a simple and fun process, and if you watch till the end, you'll see exactly how to do it in just 7 easy steps. Now let's break down each of the steps required to create the most engaging One Bible Verse-inspired videos on YouTube. Step 1. Find an easy and profitable niche. So why is this niche exploding right now? It's not just about religion or spirituality. It's about connection. People are searching for meaning, purpose, and answers to life's big questions. And they're turning to platforms like YouTube to find them. Channels like One Bible Verses tap into that hunger by delivering content in a way that feels authentic, relatable, and deeply impactful. Let me tell you something even more surprising. This isn't an isolated success story. There are other channels, same niche, same format, completely different creator, but with similar results. Thousands of subscribers within weeks, millions of views per video. What's their secret? They're addressing universal themes: faith, identity, relationships, and personal transformation. These topics resonate across cultures and demographics, making them gold mines for creators who know how to package them effectively. But it doesn't stop there. This style of content creation removes barriers that often discourage new creators. You don't need to be on camera, invest in expensive gear, or build a personal brand around your face. Instead, you focus on crafting compelling narratives supported by visuals and voiceovers. That means anyone, yes, even you, can replicate this strategy without years of experience or technical expertise. And let's talk monetization. With tools like NextLev or YT Large, we can see these channels are fully monetized. Ads alone bring in significant revenue. But imagine adding affiliate links, merchandise, or partnerships with ministries and organizations. The earning potential is massive, especially as your audience grows. The best part? AI tools make scaling easier than ever before. Step 2. Content ideas in minutes. You might be thinking, but I don't know where to start. No problem. I've put together a Google Doc full of content prompts that can generate unlimited video ideas instantly. This document is available on our Telegram channel. You can find the link to our Telegram channel in the description. Here's what to do. Open the document. Find the heading Topics prompt. Copy everything under it. Now head over to ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or any AI text generator. Paste in a prompt and watch it produce dozens of engaging video topics in seconds. Pro tip. If you don't like the first batch of ideas, hit regenerate for a fresh set. Browse through and choose a topic from the list provided by ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or your chosen AI text generator. Now you are ready for the next step. Step 3. Write a high-engagement script without writing it yourself. Once you have your topic, it's time to turn it into a script. But don't worry, you don't need to be a writer. Just grab my pre-made scriptwriting prompt from the Google Doc you already have, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the placeholder with your chosen topic. Set the word count. Let the AI generate a structured, high-quality script in seconds. Pro tip. The script is broken into sections, so just type next after each part to generate the rest. Step 4. Generate a voiceover in minutes. Instead of recording your own voice, you can use AI voice generators to do the heavy lifting. For this style of content, a calm, deep voice works best. You can use 11 Labs. 11 Labs offers realistic AI-generated voices. They are perhaps the market leader in this niche. Minimax Audio. Minimax Audio is the new kid in town for AI-generated voices. It is a great alternative with professional narration quality. I will showcase how to generate your AI voices in each of these tools. Creating the voiceover via 11 Labs. Next, we need to turn our script into a professional-sounding voiceover. 1. Go to 11 Labs and choose a natural-sounding voice. 2. Head over to the voice library to find the perfect voice. Select the voice you like that suits your script. 3. Copy and paste your script, then generate the voiceover within minutes. Here's how to do it in Minimax Audio. Head over to Minimax Audio website. Log in or register if you are a new user. Pro tip, Minimax Audio offers some free credits. You can use this to test their platform. They have really nice voices. You can tweak them to your liking. Click on the text-to-speech menu. Paste the text you copied from ChatGPT into the text-to-speech box. Set the language to English or any other language of your choice. Choose from the available voice actors. You can as well clone your own voice, if you so wish. Minimax offers this feature. Tweak the voice settings and hit the Generate Speech button. Instantly, your narration is ready to go. With the voice generated, you are now ready for the next step. Step 5. Create stunning visuals with AI. Instead of spending hours searching for stock footage, use AI-generated images. Copy the image prompt generator from the Google Doc. paste it into ChatGPT. Ensure you paste it below the script you generated earlier, and enter the number of images needed, around 4 to 8 for each section, depending on the length of your script. ChatGPT will generate the requested prompts to create high-quality visuals. Now copy each prompt and head to Ideogram AI. Sign up if you have no account yet, or sign in if you already have an account. Ideogram gives free credit for image generations. You can pay for a plan if you want faster generation. Pro tip: Ideogram generates 4 images per generation. Paste the prompt you copies from ChatGPT. Hit generate and Ideogram will generate 4 images for you within seconds. Now you have custom-made visuals that fit your narration perfectly. Let's proceed to the most important step of this process, in my opinion. Step 6. Editing made simple. If you're worried about video editing, don't be. This style of content is super simple to edit. CapCut is an easy free option that lets you import your voiceover plus AI images. Trim unnecessary pauses in the narration. First, import all your assets, the images, your generated voiceover file, and any additional elements like sound effects or background music. Start by dragging your voiceover onto the timeline. One thing to note about AI-generated voiceovers is they often include awkward pauses or unnatural gaps. Play through the audio carefully, trimming these sections while ensuring the pacing still feels natural. Leave just enough space between sentences so the narration flows smoothly when paired with visuals. Now, it's time to add subtitles to our video. To do this on CapCut, go to the text menu, select Auto Caption, then click on Generate. Within seconds, our subtitles are generated. Now click on a section of the generated subtitle to highlight it. Drag it to the right-hand side of the video canvas. Now, we want to make our subtitles look like that of the channel we are emulating. To do this with a section of the subtitle still selected, click on Templates on the upper right menu. Then search for typewriter style. Select the one that looks similar to the style we are emulating. Voila, you now have a formatted subtitle. Adjust to your taste. Your final video should look amazing, just like the one we watched at the beginning of this tutorial. Pro editing trick: add a zoom-in effect on images to create movement. It makes static images more engaging without extra work. Feel free to add filters and animations as you may require. 4. Add a subtle sound effect, as may be required. Step 7. Thumbnails that actually get clicks. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see, so it needs to grab attention. The channel we are emulating uses minimalist thumbnails with a powerful image and a bold, readable phrase. Here's how to make one. Just grab my pre-made thumbnail prompt from the Google Doc, paste it into ChatGPT, and replace the placeholder with your chosen topic. Hit Submit. Let the AI generate the prompt for a high-quality thumbnail in seconds. Now copy the thumbnail prompt and head to Ideogram AI. Paste the thumbnail prompt into Ideogram AI and hit Generate. Ideogram will generate 4 high-quality thumbnail images. You can regenerate the images until you get the ones you like. Choose the image you like and download accordingly. Pro tip: YouTube allows for 3 thumbnails per each video, so you can actually select 3 images for your 3 thumbnails. Now we will use Canva to add text to the thumbnail images. Remember, choose a clear, eye-catching font. Pro tip: keep your text short, 3 to 5 words max, so it's easy to read at a glance. But before then, we need to generate the thumbnail phrase. For the thumbnail phrase, I've already done the heavy lifting for you, once again. Inside the Google Doc, linked in the description, There's a prompt specifically designed to generate high-quality thumbnail phrases tailored to the topic and content of the video. All you need to do is copy the prompt, paste it into your preferred AI text generator like ChatGPT, and specify how many phrases you want. After the generation, choose one that you like and download for use in Canva. Download your high-quality thumbnail ready for use for your video. Final step: upload and optimize for maximum views. Now that you have edited your video, it's to upload it to YouTube, add your title, write a keyword-rich title and description. Of course, ChatGPT can help you do this. And that's it. You're now ready to start your own high-performing YouTube channel. Why this works, and why you should jump in now. This niche is a goldmine because low effort, high reward, no complicated editing or expensive gear needed, fast content creation. You can make a full video in a couple of hours, easy monetization. But here's the thing, success doesn't come from just watching tutorials, it comes from taking action. So if you're ready to jump into this booming niche, start by grabbing the Google Doc via our Telegram channel linked below. It has every single prompt I used in this video, so you can replicate these results for yourself. Trust me, having these tools at your fingertips will save you hours of trial and error. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It means the world and helps more creators discover this strategy. And while you're at it, subscribe to the channel for more tips on building profitable online businesses without breaking a sweat. Before you go, drop a comment letting me know what niche you want to try next, or better yet, share your first video once it's live. Together, we can build something incredible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.